Oh my god, what was this thing called? The
Boulder Dash. Yeah.
They should have been called like the Boulder Smash or something because like
neck brace.
you should have called the neck brace or something because like oh my god, you're gonna need one afterwards. This ride, I don't know which one's worse, the Boulder one or Wipeout. And I thought I was gonna fall back and like so I was like holding on for dear life on the other chains. I was like, dear God, please get me off this thing. Welcome to Lake Compounce, the oldest continuously operated amusement park in the US, been open since 1846 for 171 years of family fun. Let's get started. Alright, somebody get me the soundtrack for Lake Compounce because I'm already living for this.
The excitement of the sounds.
Doom, doom.
Oh, this is 171.
171 years of fun.
Oh.
Oh, this is great. I'll do my intro here. Yo, this music is epic. I love it.
God,
oh my god, look at that roller coaster. Holy guacamole. That's dope. No, we need a map. Where can we get a map? Oh, they have maps right there. Right here. Map time. 2 maps. Alright. I want to go on that thing. That orange one. That looks crazy. This really reminds me of Rocke. I'm so excited. Are you excited?
Yeah, I'm excited.
I'm excited! That's definitely Dale's kind of motorcycle.
Whatever. Yeah.
I mean,
Dale's
kind of merry-go-round.
Flying elephants. Look.
Oh, look at the kitty.
Look at, you see the guy with the little tiger?
Yeah. Cute. A little show. I'm gonna burn the heck out of my legs today, aren't I?
Probably. Oh, they got one of those.
Those are always fun.
Yeah, look at that balloon.
Aw, cute. Alright, ooh, I love that.
What?
Revolution. Heck yeah.
Oh, this guy?
Yeah. Oh, it's out of service.
Oh.
Ding dang. They have an arcade. They normally have the Revolution. It's not too bad today.
Yeah, it's not too hot.
And it's not too packed or anything.
Yeah. Also, it's earlier in the day.
Yeah.
Little critters. Oh. The bumper car thing? Looks like a bumper car.
Yeah, it kind of does. I wish I had a stabilizer. Oh my god, is that like a teacup thing?
Yeah, I think so. It's a little, oh, circus drums.
It's so weird.
Drums. You sit in the drums.
Oh, look at all the balloons.
Oh, they got a little drop tower.
Yeah.
I think it's all for like
little
kids
like,
up here.
oh, I want to go on that ride.
Which one?
That tiny roller coaster. Oh, his name is Daniel Tigers.
Daniel Tigers.
Horrific day.
Wait, I thought you was on like Junior or something like that.
I feel like I know what you're talking about, but no, I don't think it's the same one.
Hold on.
Before you get in the
Babe, they have SpongeBob ice cream.
Oh, that's where they at.
Heck yeah, look. SpongeBob ice cream. Gotta come back for that.
Okay. Oh, well, the giant orange ride's right over there, Phobia.
Sweet, we're going on it.
On the
I wish I had the GoPro on me today.
Sorry.
Oh, that's a good one.
Huh?
Pirate.
Oh, yeah, it's a giant pirate ship.
I've only been on like the Egyptian themed ones.
Oh. Where it's like
Alright.
camel and stuff.
Phobia Phear Coaster. I haven't seen anybody go on it yet. I hope it's working today.
Yeah.
Oh, there it goes. All right, we'll see you there. What do you think of Phobia?
Phobia was pretty good.
That was great. It was short. It was great.
Yeah, it was just enough.
Yo, and the turns. Okay. Wait, let's go look at our photos.
Let's look at the photos and we'll go on Boulder Dash. Walking to the Boulder Dash.
Heck yeah, I'm excited. I think this is a wooden coaster. Is it a wooden coaster?
It's a wooden roller coaster.
Heck yeah. I'm excited. What's that? Share your photos with your family and friends. Okay, cool.
Huh?
We tried to look at the photos for Phobia,
Phobia.
but they were down.
Yeah, photo machine.
Also, pro tip, if you're in the park, water is free. Sodas used to be free up until a couple years ago, which is so crazy.
But not on the stands, but in the restaurants.
Yeah, but so water is free in the restaurants, not at the stands.
Yeah.
And line jumpers is something else. There it is, alright.
Alright, worth the wait.
Oh my god, what was this thing called? The
Boulder Dash. Yeah.
They should have been called like the Boulder Smash or something, because like
neck brace.
they should have called the neck brace or something, because like, oh my god, you're gonna need one afterwards.
It should be called urgent care.
Oh my god.
That was a lot.
10 out of 10, do not recommend if you have any sort of like, even if it's like a minor neck or back thing.
They said like no back problems affecting mothers.
Whatever, but then like, you know, like there are people who like have like neck issues, whatever, back issues, and like they know they can ride roller coasters. Don't ride this roller coaster. It's so long the entire time.
It's so long, so fast, so many drops, so many turns,
and the worst part is just like how much you're shaking.
There's like these hill portions of it where you go up and you feel the car.
The only relief you have is when like it throws you up in the air a little bit, because then you're not shaking.
Yeah, it throws you in the air, you're like whoa, and then it just quickly drops you down.
Oh my god. I thought I was gonna throw up. I thought my neck was gonna break. I don't even know. If it wasn't so shaky, it would be an amazing ride, but that thing is ridiculous. Oh my god. It was awful. 10 out of 10, do not recommend. Like, side note, oh my god, I was like in the middle of the ride, in pain, freaking out, but then having my own internal monologue of the fact that like I was screaming so loud, and I was screaming just like my mom. Like, I sounded exactly like her on a ride, and I was like, well, this is who I am. This is me as a person. All right then. Let's go on the way.
There you go. That babe, time out.
Oh. This thing is gonna hurt too, isn't it?
Probably not.
No, we're totally gonna get smushed and it's gonna hurt.
Huh?
Oh, is it single seat? No, it's double. Yeah, we're gonna get smushed. It's gonna suck. This ride, I don't know which one's worse. The Boulder one or Wipeout?
I mean, we knew Boulder was gonna be rocky, like.
We didn't know this one was gonna be bad. Well, I thought it was just gonna be one of those that just goes around.
No, this thing lifts you up, does this number, and then spins you up.
And then does like a bunch of bouncing. Oh my god.
Yeah, it was so
And
bad.
it just pulls you so hard, like you think your like neck is just gonna like turn into gum and just like.
Also, if you're gonna ride this by yourself, it's like two-person seat for small children. Sit near the outside, because I sat near the inside, and the seatbelt damn near cut me in half.
Oh my god, but wait. Alright, this is Crocodile Cove. It's so cute. Look at the lighthouse for water. Look at that water slide. It's dope.
Yeah.
Wish we would have brought our bathing suits. But it's okay. Oh, look at the pirate ship. Cool. America's oldest amusement park. Oh yeah. Woo! This just in, Dole Whip is not a Disney exclusive. I repeat, it's sold in other theme parks.
Yeah, Dole Whip.
What?
You want to check out their souvenir thing?
Disney did me dirty. Alright, we just went on that. It was a lot.
Yeah. I mean, mine wasn't that bad. Naty's chain links were caught up on top, so it kind of like came loose while we were mid-ride.
Yeah, and it like went like, and I was like, I like freaked out because it yanked on the back ones, and I thought I was gonna fall back, and like, so I was like holding on for dear life on the other chains. I was like, dear God, please get me off this thing. It was awful. I'm not feeling too hot. So we're gonna go get some food and then hopefully maybe go on like 1 or 2 rides more.
And then we might just end up calling it an early day.
Yeah.
Because
It's just a lot.
yeah, we done a good amount today with me here.
I feel like we did almost everything already anyways.
Well, we used to go ahead and go to like Disney World and Universal and stuff.
I wonder what that is.
Huh?
What's that? Oh, that's cute. It's to send letters to like military members.
Oh, okay.
Okay, let's get some food.
Yeah.
Look at your beard.
Not bad.
What's this place called again?
Parkside Diner.
Having hot dogs, cherry fries. I'm having a chicken sandwich. Gatorade because I'm dying. And he's having it's ridiculous. Mountain Dew, sports, energy.
It's gamer fuel. I mean,
Gamer fuel.
I didn't know how to open it, so it's so weird. And like, all right, just a review of this. It's like you pull a tap up, and I was like, wait, what do you mean? And it's like slide it back, and I was like, what? And the weirdest thing is, you slide it forward, you close it off. And guess what? Just like a sham wow, it turns upside down. No water comes out.
You mean like a berry sweet ice cream?
Yeah, like a blizzard. Ready? It's like do the thing.
Yeah, the food's pretty okay. It's not bad. It was like $25, so not like the
Finally, what I've been waiting and asking him for, a dark ride. It looks so cute. It's called Ghost Hunt.
Ghost Hunt. Another.
So cute.
There are 2 many ghosts, and I will stay like a man. Come on, give me a cookie.
You're pushing the
Rolling.
Alright, we just got off of the Ghost Hunt and I'm not feeling too hot, and none of the other rides are dark rides, chill time, so we're gonna head out. Thank you for hanging out with us, rock stars, and we will catch you on the next one. Goodbye!